What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can delete your PartnerStack account. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your PartnerStack account, you can see your dashboard right here. So to delete your account from your dashboard, click on your profile icon right here. And from here you need to go to technical support. Now once you click technical support, this little bot will load. So here you just need to tell him that you want to delete your account. So right here I wrote I want to close my account, and now we'll wait for the bot to respond. Now the bot says that we need to contact the support team and that we need to withdraw any funds that we have left on our account so that the account can be closed. Now you need to write, can you direct me to the support team, and then from this chat box you can actually write the message for the support team, and this bot will direct it to the support team. So you can just write something in the lines, I would like to close or delete my PartnerStack account. Now I wrote I would like to permanently close my PartnerStack account and the email of this account. Now just click send. And here you are given the option to provide some additional information about the account closure or the ticket itself. So I will just simply write I would just like to close my account. And there we go, our ticket has been created, and this is the ticket ID, and as you can see, the bot said that the team will be in touch through email. So now when they reach out to you through email, you can just answer a few verification questions and your account will be closed. So that's a tutorial on how you can close your PartnerStack account.